Hello my friends, welcome to Training with KS. Today is 21st of May 2025. Today is Wednesday. So BURSA continue to be slightly weak and technology continue to drop. So market public concern due to the tariff because we already halfway through the 90 days grace period, right? So if we can't get a proper very good deal, so this technology and industry will be in trouble probably. So market I think slightly concerned about that. That's why we are seeing this technology. That's why I said the negotiation for this tariff need to be need to be positive but we are not seeing that. They are not negotiating initially they already started I think these articles are fully go there to try to negotiate but now I think they want to negotiate as a block Southeast Asia. I think as a block see how it goes but I think the concern is there some worry about this tariff okay. A quick disclaimer first. A lot of news today, a ton of news
Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs.
Okay, now only 3 o'clock but I think today it's not a momentum day I think today is a news day a lot of news so so I think even doing the video early I don't think we have a different close market will have much momentum okay. Now BURSA is 1544 drop 3.89 points, 0.251%. Singapore dropped 0.227%. Hong Kong up 0.348%. South Korea up 0.914%. Japan dropped 0.614%. Thailand up 0.14%. China FTSE up 0.744%. China SSE up 0.234%. China SXSE up 0.412%. Australia S&P up 0.521%. Taiwan up 1.291%. India Nifty up 0.306%. So today been still slightly positive Asia still slightly positive. Look at Europe yesterday, FTSE up 0.941% and DAX up 0.423%. Okay, so slight positive for this Europe. Dow Jones dropped 0.266%. US NYSE dropped 0.165%. S&P dropped 0.388% and Nasdaq dropped 0.379%. So slightly weak for US. Look at crude palm oil 3,889, not so strong. Brent oil up a bit 66. Crude oil not much 62. Gold 3,318 up again okay. And silver also up again 33.35 okay. US dollar against ringgit drop 4.2650. Bitcoin 107 okay. Bitcoin 107,000 and Ethereum 2593 so Bitcoin slightly strong today. Look at BURSA. This is not yet closing okay. 1544 dropped 4.53 points, 0.39%. Volume is 2.445 billion. Okay, not bad at 3 o'clock. Sentiment 30, gainers 282, losers 646, unchanged 421, untrade is 1069. Yesterday, foreign fund net sell 81 million, local institution net buy 47 million, and local retail net buy 33 million. You look at the heat map this is not a good day okay. SCABLE got problem it might get delisted that's why big sell down today. Okay, let's look at this sector. All in percentage. Construction up 0.9, consumer drop 0.17, energy drop 0.16, finance drop 0.6, healthcare drop 0.66, industry drop 0.67, plantation up 0.64, property up drop 0.76, REIT up 0.3, technology big drop 2.83, telco up 0.57, transportation drop 0.71, utilities drop 0.53 lah. Also mainly I think the worry is on the tariff negotiation lah. Okay. But there's still time lah. There's still some time to negotiate and we'll see how it goes. Look at the chart. KLCI. Okay, KLCI continue to drop lah. Expected lah. Okay, expected. Between 1531, I think probably the support will be around here lah. 1.31, 1.1530 lah. If we can rebound here, it's still fine lah. If we come back to bottom channel here, rebound also still fine for me. Best not to drop outside the channel. H market drop 0.5 lah. So H market continue to drop. Probably come back to test 4,006. Mid cap drop 32%. I think coming back to test 15,006. And these are small cap got some support here lah. 15,006. And we'll see how it goes lah. Okay. Look at sector construction. Okay, construction still up a little bit. But there's resistance at here lah. Resistance at here. See whether it can go through or not lah. Okay, here. Okay, slightly up lah. 288 lah. Okay, if you can break 238, maybe you can go higher. We're gonna wait and see. Okay. Look at other sector. Not much. Technology continue to drop. Technology. I think if technology come back to here, still fine lah. 45%. You look at the Fibonacci, right? Look at Fibonacci. Okay. This 38.2. Okay. This is 50 lah. Okay. So it come back to here. 50% retracement still okay for me lah. Okay. Here. Okay. Around 45 lah. Okay. If we come back to 45, it can rebound at around 46. Still okay lah. Higher high. Remake higher high. Okay. Come back, rebound here. 50% retracement. For me, it's still fine lah. Okay. As long as hold above 46 lah. Okay. Other than that, nothing much. Let's go to Facebook. Okay lah, today Mr. Bean sleepy lah. These few days lah. Okay. Wong say what? Crash coming ah. Anything can happen lah. I cannot say. Because if the tariff negotiation does not go well we could have a crash okay, so do take note lah. Anything is still possible. Okay. 得撈跌吧，跌的機會drop got chance after drop. 得撈師傅 thank you for all your sharing, very insightful. Thanks 得撈. Okay. Thank you for your support. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, like, share, comment, support the channel. All these are scammer. All these with bold. You see the bold writing. It's all. Wow, Camila. What Camila say? Oh, she held. Yesterday I grabbed a bit. Thanks for the support. I think translate a bit. Camila is the student, one of the latest batch. I think she learned very fast. she understand. I mean, she look at the chart and learn the chart very fast. Let's hear translate what she said.
Thank you, Teacher KS, for making videos every day without any effort. I benefit a lot from your sharing. I believe that many of your fans have benefited a lot. You shared the mentality that should be in the stock market, which is very important. Thank you, Folded Hands. You brought us good information and energy to let us explore in a positive way how to make a little money in this deep market and some traps that can be avoided. Any profit is a little. Thank you. Teacher KS smiling face with hearts, but I still need to learn more about arbitrage. I am so sad to see that I can't get the money. Circle.operator, oh circle.operator. #teacher. Those external voices are not important. Cross mark.
Yeah, of course. For me, I've been doing videos so long Of course, a lot of comment, a lot of bad comments. So when I started people condemn me for my. I got another Chinese. I do another Chinese video every day for because my Chinese is not. I mean, I'm not saying my English is extremely good lah, but I think my English is slightly better than Chinese. So a lot of people laugh at me lah, condemn me lah, all these things lah. But well, that is their problem. It's not my problem. But that's why for me, right? Sometimes I have to be a little bit delicate lah in sharing the mindset. Mindset is very important. But mindset is very important for people to change. That's why when I try to emphasize a bit on mindset, so people will get offended but I will try my best try my best to slowly explain how the contrarian mindset. People have been invested. Before people follow my channel they invest, they have their way they have their way for maybe 10, 20 years, some even 60 years old. They already follow the same way listening to Bloomberg, listening to CNBC, listening to news, all this. They have been doing that for 30 years 30 years, maybe some even 40 years, right? So suddenly I come out, I said, certain thing, I don't follow, my mindset is different. So some people, difficult for them to accept but it's okay if you cannot accept my mindset it's okay. I'm not saying I must be right, KS must be right, or your mindset is totally wrong. But if you find that your mindset does not really profit you for up to now I don't want to say your mindset is wrong. Wrong and right for me is not important. You can say I'm wrong every day, it's okay. As long I'm making a ton of money, I don't care. Every day you write there KS stupid, wrong, I'm okay. Because I'm the one who goyang kaki at home. I don't care, right? So it's fine with me, right? You scold me, but sometimes I try to emphasize mindset a little bit hopefully slowly you understand So thanks for this, Camila. Here she's saying this is what she's saying sometimes you see the money, cannot get money, cannot get the money. Here. Let me put it. She said from the take profit side, she have to learn a bit more because sometimes she see the money, couldn't get the money This one you have to learn, but at least you see you are at the right side, right? You are not losing money every time, right? When you first learn Kung Fu, we don't expect you to straight away can challenge Jet Li, right? But at least you can fight all the small timer, you can beat all the others, it's okay. You don't lose money, it's very, very good. And slowly, one step by step, as I said, one more step, one day, right? As I already said, like playing game, right? The 100 level, the big boss you cannot go through. Every time fight, you cannot go. Once time you already get through the big boss, you already fight the same boss every time, right? 8 times out of 10 times you win. So this is the concept that you need to learn A lot of comment. This one also got comment. Foreign fund. John Sniper. I don't like this. all these are scammer. 8 comment. This yesterday. Yesterday Baboon CEO very boring. John Sniper low battery. What's this? Aaron. Run. Sifu Sam. KO already, still got chance or not? Need to cut loss or not? Sam as support, today as support, 3.85, very important. If we can rebound here, maybe still okay, But if we cannot rebound here, then maybe cannot already, You wait a little bit and see whether it can rebound in this area or not. This is as I said this is a 50% retracement you see this whole move, right? This is only a 50% retracement. a big move, after a big move, right? After 50% retracement is quite normal, okay? Normal. Even 62.8% retracement also is okay one. Up even down to here is still okay lah for me. Okay. Bursa very weak lah. I mean, if you want to take some profit first, also it's okay lah. It's okay lah. You want to take some profit first, it's okay lah. If you ask auto profit, of course, it already tell you to sell lah, right? Yeah, here, right? So if you have auto profit, you might already sell. But yes, but this one, remember, auto profit is for short term one swing, right? If you are playing one swing asset, okay, if you're playing one swing, okay, auto profit already tell you to sell here, right? Okay, if you're long term asset, you have to wait it out. You have to wait a bit. If you are long term, okay. If you are longer term, it might still got chance lah. It's just starting to go lah, so you have to give it some room. If you are long term, if you are short term, you got the lightsaber, you already take profit, right? You already take profit up here, ma, right? Okay, so it's up to you lah. Whether you are implement for short term. I mean, you are in the short term or in the long term, right? Short term, you already have lightsaber. Lightsaber already tell you how to exit, right? Okay, and you see, right? Red candle much bigger than green candle, ma. For short term, you already exit already. If you know the kung fu, if you have kung fu, okay, if you really learn all my kung fu, you don't need the lightsaber. Lightsaber is just you see, when people fight, right? They don't need to use a lightsaber unless it's required. When you see it's very, you see a certain move, okay, whether it's unclear. Okay, the pattern is unclear whether you want to cut loss or not, and then you take out the lightsaber, right? So lightsaber, you do not on it anytime. So if I look at the chart, okay, if I am in doubt, I will turn on my lightsaber, right? Okay, lightsaber already come out to sell, right? Okay. If car drop the rope before cut loss. Okay, if car cannot already. That day I said if car you already, this one, right? I said you already close below, you have to cut down already, right? Okay, now cannot already. Fail already, cut loss. The rebound fail. Okay, this one fail. Okay, you have to cut. Okay. AX cannot. Okay, AX. If you're short term, I said lah, you already take profit lah. Okay. Okay, if you're short term, it's time to take profit lah. Okay, the sell signal already come. Okay, so if you're long term, okay, as long as it stay above 1.62, probably still got chance lah. You wait and see lah. Okay, you have to, if you're longer term, right, you have to give it some room to breathe. Of course, sometimes you cannot get the short term gain lah. Okay, but you have to sometimes, if you are longer term, you have to absorb the short-term volatility, the short-term shakeout, right? Okay, in order to get the long-term money lah, the bigger money lah. Okay, but your short-term, you already come out sell signal lah, already take profit. Signal already come out. Okay. AX cannot. I cannot say it cannot lah. You can see if you look at Fibonacci, right? Okay, Fibonacci 6. 38.2 retracement is here, not even reach 38.2 right now. Only reach it only passed this 23% retracement, right? So not even reach 38% retracement. You can't say not even reach a 50% retracement. You can't say it cannot lah, totally KO lah. But I mean, if you are short term, you already know what to do lah. If you are short term, you know what to do lah. Already. Okay, the signal already come out lah. But your long term, maybe you want to wait it out a bit lah. Okay, it's up to you. Long term means you can get bigger gain, right? Short term, you just one wait, one shot gain. So if you are in for the short term, if you are using auto profit strategy, so you have to exit using the auto profit strategy lah. Means since the sell signal come out, you have to take the profit. But if you are playing for longer term, okay, pick bottom. Secret value investing strategy. Okay, if it meets the requirement of secret value investing strategy, then you have to use the secret value investing strategy lah. Okay. to exit lah. Okay. Which now, okay, a 50% retracement is not that bad lah. Okay. Okay, let's look at news.
My EG1Q profit up 16.5% on Zetrix platform contributions.
Weird Okay, my EG first quarter 3233 million last year. This year 300 million So revenue up, profit 155 to 181 million, up 16.5% YOY, QOQ up 0.3%. Okay, not bad. Quite good, both our revenue and our profit also up. But the stock didn't go. That's why news doesn't always, that's why all people like to hear the news and invest using the news. As I said, okay, no momentum, right? There's no momentum. So what? News without investor pump, right? It's just news, so nothing. There's nothing, no push. Okay, SUNCON got double good news
SUNCON's 1Q net profit more than doubles on strong construction performance, declares 5 cent dividend.
Okay, 604 million last year, now is 1.4 billion Okay, revenue, profit 32 million to 75, double over double 133.7% YOY, QOQ 9.5%. And also got another news, it got this 263 million contract from Johor data center final phase. Okay, so SUNCON not double whammy, double good news okay. Okay, SUNCON already hit the high here I'm not chasing here I'm saying okay, we already profit from here all the way up. I'm not selling. I already sell 3 ringgit so I'm not buying at 5 ringgit it's just not the way I do and I don't play here. I'm not saying it cannot go up but normally we don't play here look like a blow off top Okay, I don't play here. I'm not saying it cannot go up. I'm not playing here. That day it broke through here. I told you, right? 4.51. Yes, it do have a small gap. But I'm not chasing 4 ringgit to 5 ringgit where I already profit from 2 ringgit to 3 ringgit, 4 ringgit. This type of profit I already made. I'm not chasing here. I'm not buying after profit from buying from 1, 2 ringgit. I'm not buying at 5 ringgit I just let you know Just one mistake. Okay, it start to drop. All my profit, all I waited 1 year for the profit, then all the profit give back to the market you see, as I said people, a lot of people, they go to Genting, gamble, play casino, they make money, but they don't know how to hold on to the money. That's the problem. Okay, then they always at the end of the day they lose more than they win. I mean, this is just how I see it. I mean, if we keep on winning, it's okay okay. I'm not saying this, just how I see it.
Teo Seng's 1Q net profit up 21% on tax reversal, declares 1.5 cent dividend.
Revenue 190 to 168 million, not so good. Revenue dropped quite a lot. Profit 34 million to 41 million. Okay. What's this? Tax reversal okay. Okay, your thing is coming back down again okay. As I said I'm not very keen for your thing. Okay, it's coming back down today, dropped 2%.
Sarawak cable to be suspended on May 28th. Possible delisting on May 30th.
So big drop I said SCABLE need to break through 13 cents first to be stable
KITACON 1Q profit rises 21% on improved margins.
Revenue 225 million, now 210. Profit 11 million, 11.3 to 13.8 up 21%. YOY QOQ up 0.2. But revenue drop that's why not moving much not moving much. Okay, so that they almost hit the target, but now slowing down. It's not dropping also lah. If it drop below 0.665, then danger lah. It's not going, it's not dropping also lah. Okay, what's this? Also, these are the what are the important lah. You might want to take a look lah.
The week ahead. Eyes on Malaysia's biggest IPO YTD, April exports and PKR central leadership polls. MOH grants DPHARMA 6-month contract extension for insulin supply.
Okay, DPHARMA, okay, trying to stay above, but still like not very strong. Wait for a few days and see. Better wait for a drop, then come back up lah. Okay, it's better lah.
Bina Puri hit with winding up petition over RM309,129 debt.
So that's why Bina Puri one big drop down. Okay, so got that issue.
VELESTO Energy wins Vietnam drilling project.
Okay, VELESTO. Okay, VELESTO need to break 19 cents first lah.
INARI Amatron posts 24.7% drop in 3Q net profit to RM260m.
Okay, last year 347 million revenue, now 308. Profit 73 million to 55 million. YOY dropped 24%, QOQ dropped 38. Not so good. Okay, revenue also dropped. Okay. INARI, the head and shoulder drop below already. Be careful this one. Okay, this one need to cut down already. If it drop below 1.84, I think it's going to drop back. As I said, INARI have this. I'm not keen to change this. Okay, with this pattern here, I'm not keen. Okay, even though with this head and shoulder, trying to develop a head and shoulder also looks like it's fading down. Okay, looks like fading. If once you drop 1.84, I think you feel it will come down. Okay. That's why I'm not keen when you see this pattern. This already warning, already give you a. I remember from the chart you can see what opportunity, danger, sentiment, and history. Okay, this is already we already see the danger, right? Okay, so that's why I'm not keen on this one.
Sports Toto's third quarter net profit soars 54%.
Okay, third quarter last year 1.7 billion, now 1.9 billion revenue up, profit 68 to 105 million. Okay, both also up lah. So quite good. SP Toto, quite good. Okay, but re-goring lah, re-drop outside channel, whatever. This good news coming out already goring lah. Already hit bank target, so now it's coming down lah. Unless it break through here, then maybe we talk again lah. Okay, unless it break through here, then we talk lah. Unless it break through here, then only we talk. 146. Okay. This Petronas PChem kena bash after the report come out.
Petronas Chemicals extends decline as investors. Analysts turn increasingly bearish after weak 1Q.
Also, there are a lot of bad publicity.
Petronas Chemicals dijangka terus berdepan kerugian tukaran asing.
Okay, so this one I think this one I have to cut down already. It's too many negative news. Okay, too many negative news for PChem. Let's see today. Today dropped 6%. Too many. Also already dropped below the neckline. This one I think need to cut down for now. Okay, need to cut down. Okay, it's too many bad publicity. And you see so many news keep on popping up, bad news so it's not, so have to be careful okay.
Nvidia CEO praises Trump move to scrap some AI export curbs.
Okay.
SolarVest's 4Q profit nearly triples on more project rollouts.
Okay, we want to see the whole year okay. Whole year, last year 492 million, now it's 536 million, profit 32 million to 51 okay. So the whole year did very well SolarVest. Okay, SolarVest probably still got a chance to come back to 1.82 As I said, I'm not very keen already go so far. I'm not very keen unless it got a bigger drop and the Kenanga also put the target quite low here. But there are higher target here. Maybe this is an old target okay. Maybe still can go, but I'm not very keen chasing here I'm going to see at least it break to 1.82 and wait and see I'm not saying that it cannot go up but I'm not very keen at here at the current price.
Public Bank posts strong Q1 results with 5.6 PCT rise in profit to RM1.75 bill.
Okay, last year first quarter 6.8 billion revenue, now 7.3, profit 1.7. Also 1.7, slight up, 5% up. Revenue up, but profit only very slightly up. So also nothing much so it's also still sideways here. It's still just moving sideways Okay, just sideways nothing much happening. So the news, we are hearing rumors about AFIN and M-Bank merger
CIMB Securities skeptical about potential AFIN AMMB merger.
Okay, AFIN head and shoulders still up, still okay as long as stay above 260. M-Bank already starting downtrend I'm not keen also this one okay, starting and really exceeded most of the bank targets, so I'm not very keen okay, look at some top gainers. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel okay. Look at some top gainers. Maxis, Sunway. See, Maxis got breakout unable to break out broke down. So for now, force break force break. So this one we have to wait and see okay. If you have the lightsaber, I already tell you to sell there, right? This wave up you already profit. If you manage to buy okay. Sunway also up I think SUNCON got a lot of project okay. Sunway 4.71, staying above 4.71. Look like a double bottom here. Look like a double bottom. So Sunway might still got chance to go higher but the bank target are here. So they might have some difficulty. We have to wait and see okay. There could be a double top here, breakout channel. So Sunway might still got some room to go okay. Especially if we can stay above 4.71, 4.74. So I think if you drop below, maybe below here, maybe you have to start to concern a bit For now, I think Sunway. Okay, here. Okay. Probably here drop below 4.58, maybe you want to concern okay. For now, see, okay, slowly it's going up but as I said all these for me a bit too high to chase too high to chase. Not enough retracement to chase in. PMETAL. SUNCON volume is not so good also. You see average 7 million, now it's 3 million okay. What else PMETAL. Okay, PMETAL still sideways, not going much. MAGNI. another call. Now, when you're getting older, you can hear a lot of this call from this free screening lah, free health check lah, free heart screening lah. All keep on getting all this call. Don't know whether it's true or not. All free screening lah. Some got what free lunch lah. Or I don't know lah. When you're getting older, it's like that lah. People all every day get call giving you screening lah. Of course, the screening is free lah, but when you catch you got something, then it's not free lah. Okay. If you got something lah, hopefully I don't know lah. Everyone is good lah. Okay. But if someone go there screening for free, but once you catch you got something, then it's not free lah. Okay. TOMEI still TOMEI gold is really so high lah. I doubt gold can go much higher. Maybe can but I'm not buying gold. I'm not saying right. I'm not saying the gold cannot go higher. It might go 3,500, might exceed 3,000, but I'm not buying here lah. Just tell you lah. Okay. So sometimes people say KLSE it can never go higher. Okay. I'm not saying I'm not buying here. I'm not saying I doubt it can go higher. I'm not saying guarantee it cannot go higher, but I doubt it can go higher. I'm not buying at a high price here lah. Okay. I buy low, sell high. I don't want to be those people who buy high, expect to sell higher again. Alright, I'm not that type of mentality. As I said the DHS still this maybe still rebounding, going back to the top channel. Maybe still got chance lah. Okay, as long as stay above 1 ringgit, I think DHS still okay. So it's the mindset problem. I'm not saying the stock cannot go higher, but am I buying it at a good investment or not? Okay. Is it a good investment or not? Do I buy it high or not? So there's like just like you want to buy a house, right? The house, okay, market price is 1 million, right? You want to buy it at 1 million. So I mean, why, right? Okay. If no, this one house market price is 1 million, but now suddenly we got this pandemic or something lah. Means or market or property crisis, right? We know previously this unit 1 million, so now we got crisis. Now it's 500,000. Then I'm interested to buy, right? Okay, just the mindset lah. I just tell you. I'm not saying that 1 million you buy at 1 million. Yes, it still can sell. Our market continue to be stable, economy good. You can still go up to 1.1 million, 1.2 million minus the. If you want to buy 1 million house, if you loan it for some time, you have to pay the interest, you have to pay the agent, you have to pay all these things. If you sell it for 1.1 million, 1.2 million, I doubt you're making money, right? Okay. Maybe can a little bit of money. That is if in a few years it can go up to 1.1 million, 1.2 million, right? Okay. If it does not, a few years, if it even you're selling it back. After a few years at the 1 million, you are selling it at a loss, right? Okay. Ramso really a bit also for me, it's too high too high to chase. Okay, bank target here, I'm not keen lah. Okay, so today basically it's a news day lah. Okay, so I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.